The water slides are the most exciting features of the Disney Dream cruise ship. So come with us today as we slide down each of them and show you exactly what to expect. If you're planning a cruise on the Disney Fantasy, the slides are exactly the same, but this video was filmed on board the Disney Dream. First up, let's take a look at the AQUAD. Now, this isn't just a water slide, it's a water coaster. Stretching an incredible 765 feet long, the AQUAD loops all around the top deck of the ship. It even extends over the side of the ship where it hovers above the ocean. The AQUAD is a completely enclosed see-through tube, so you get stunning panoramic views of the ocean and the top deck of the ship as you zip through the twists and turns. This slide uses inflatable rafts, and each raft can hold either 1 or 2 riders, making it perfect for families and solos as well. Now let's take a look at who this slide is suitable for. The minimum height is 42 inches, which equates to 107 centimetres. Kids who are 6 or younger must ride with someone aged 14 or older. So if you have 2 7-year-olds, then they can go down the slide together. If you want to ride alone, that's no problem. You just need to be at least 54 inches or 137 centimetres tall. Kids are given coloured wristbands, so they don't need to be measured more than once, which is nice. And obviously, if you're pregnant or have any back or neck problems or heart conditions, then this isn't the slide for you. Now let's head up the stairs and take a ride on the AQUAD. The water of the AQUAD isn't particularly warm, so if it's a cold day, then you might want to wear something that will keep you warmer than just a swimsuit, as you do get splashed quite a lot. This can also be a good idea if you want to ride at night, which I definitely recommend that you do. The slide is open until around 9 p.m. and it looks beautiful as it glows with all the multicoloured lights. Riding at night is a completely different experience. You really do have to try it. So come with us now as we head back up the stairs and ride the AQUAD after dark. The next slide I want to show you is Mickey's Slide, which is also known to everyone as the yellow slide. This one's just for kids and it's suitable for everyone aged 4 to 14. Kids do also need to be between 38 inches and 64 inches tall to ride, which most kids of that age are, and this is equivalent to 97 to 162 centimetres. If you want to see what it's like going down this slide so you can see how fast it is, then stick around and we'll show you that right now. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider subscribing to see more cruise ship videos.